Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how as a doctor, once you log in, you can actually change the prescription, or you can upload the prescription if you have forgotten, or you have prescribed it but you want to upload the sort of scanned copy of the prescription. So you can do through NiftyHMS. So once you log in as a doctor in the NiftyHMS, you will see the dashboard, and once you are there, you just click on users and then patients from the left menu, and click on the particular patient where you want to upload the prescription. So let's click on Alex as a patient, then go to assessment tab. Here is the encounter ID that was done previously. So this is a previous assessment that we has done, and now we can upload a prescription that this is post consulting prescription we are trying to add. So you can also change things like current medication and things like that. If you want to change it, it's always editable. And you can also have the nutrition data or any other data that you want to change. You can always come here in the assessment and change it. So the health issue, nutrition data, alternative diagnosis or treatment you want to change, you can do it. Here is the prescription, so you can change the prescription over here if you want to do that. So it's like every 5-day course or 7 days course you have prescribed. This is something you can also change it. But the most important is your written prescription. So you can upload a written prescription, or you can describe a diagnosis report like blood report or something like that. You can also set up next appointment date over here. So this is a very useful feature. Thanks for watching the video today. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.